Welcome to the Bourns Mini Breaker product training module. This module will introduce the range of mini breakers, explain their construction, and review their applications and advantages. It will also explain the part numbering system and talk about how to select the most suitable part. A mini breaker is a thermal cutoff, or TCO, device designed to provide over-temperature and over-current protection, primarily in lithium-ion rechargeable battery cells. However, due to their ubiquity in such applications, they are now being used in other applications, such as automotive and industrial heaters, USB Type-C cables, and temperature-sensitive circuit boards. Mini breakers combine a bimetal disc and PTC into one package, providing several advantages over either technology on its own. Once a mini breaker trips, it remains open, protecting the circuit until the ambient temperature has cooled to the reset temperature and power has been cycled. A mini breaker is a thermal cutoff, or TCO, device that combines over-temperature and over-current protection for rechargeable battery applications in a single compact package. It is an ingenious combination of two common circuit protection technologies, a PTC, and a bimetal switch. It has two key terminals for conducting current, the arm terminal and base terminal, which are connected in a normally closed position to allow current flow through the device. The contact point between both terminals is critical and a testament to the high precision of the Bourns mini breaker in that the contact resistance in some model families is as low as 1 milliohm. In the normal condition, current flows through the arm terminal, down through the very low resistance contact point, and out through the base terminal. The mini breaker can be triggered from either an increase in the environmental temperature or from excessive current flow. Once the trip temperature has been reached, the bimetal disc heats and flexes, and this motion causes the arm to open. When the bimetal disc causes the arm to open, current flows through the bimetal disc and into the PTC chip. This current causes the PTC chip to act like a current-limiting heater, which provides sufficient heat to keep the bimetal disc flexed and the arm open. The combination of the bimetal disc and the PTC chip prevents oscillating opening and closing of the mini breaker arm, and instead allows the arm to reset at lower and safer temperature levels of between 40 degrees C and 10 degrees C below the lower specification limit of the mini breaker. There is an option for the mini breaker to have no internal PTC. In these circuits, the mini breaker has no self-hold function, and the bimetal will automatically reset. As part of its UL 60730 testing, most mini breakers are tested to up to 6,000 cycles of this opening and closing mechanism. The latest Model SD and AD series can operate up to 10,000 cycles. Bourns mini breaker TCO devices are used to protect lithium-ion battery cells used in notebook PCs, tablet PCs, and smartphones, as well as other portable and wearable electronics. Mini breakers are used to provide over-temperature protection in heaters, USB cables, and wireless charging coils. Mini breakers come in both axial leaded format to allow them to be welded to the terminals of the battery cells, and surface mount packages to be located on PCBs. The advantage of the mini breakers being welded so close to the battery tabs is that the mini breakers can be situated in direct contact with the individual battery cells and are able to react quickly to any unusual rises in cell temperature. The ubiquity of mini breakers in battery packs has raised awareness in other applications, and they are now becoming recognizable solutions in USB Type-C cables and other heat-sensitive circuits. The trip temperature of the mini breaker is a key specification to battery pack manufacturers, and Bourns has developed the ability to target specific trip temperature values. The combination of both the composite bimetal material and the precision forming of the bimetal disc allows Bourns to target trip temperatures from 55 degrees C to 150 degrees C within plus or minus 5 degrees C accuracy. As the chart shows, the 72 degrees C TCO device, for example, will trip between 67 degrees C and 77 degrees C, and so on. Mini breakers will trigger from a combination of temperature and current. The ambient temperature will rise from the I²R joule heating caused by the interactions of the electrons from the electric current and the atomic ions in the terminals. Hence, mini breakers at lower ambient temperatures can hold significantly higher currents than mini breakers at higher ambient temperatures. The graph here gives an illustration of the ambient current impact on various mini breaker model operating currents. This graph highlights the various current carrying model series, from low current to high current and the ultra-high current AC series. Size can be a critical requirement in product design. The table shows the size of each surface mount series. All measurements are given in millimeters. Within the same mini breaker series, there are individual models with different trip temperatures. However, the higher trip temperatures also result in higher operating currents. This is illustrated in the graph, which shows that in the mini breaker HC series, the model HC90 can hold significantly higher currents than the model HC72. As shown in the current versus temperature chart, there are 7 different series of mini breakers from which to choose. The model LC and HC series are the original families. The NR series became the next generation of smaller sized TCOs in both a high current and low current version. The AC series is the ultra-high current family that is common in high-performance applications, such as gaming notebook PCs. The SA and SC series are the first surface mount versions of mini breakers. The latest offering is the SD and AD series, in both axial and surface mount versions, available in both automatic and non-automatic reset options. Here we show a size comparison of the axial leaded models, from the high current AC series down to the smallest CB series. Again, all measurements are given in millimeters. Through its acquisition of the Komatsu Light Company, Bourns has pioneered the technology of mini breakers with over 20 years of production experience. Its latest product series has been AEC tested for automotive applications. With more than 6 billion devices shipped, our experience has enabled Bourns to build a proven reputation for reliability and safety. As a Bourns company, the mini breaker product team can leverage decades of circuit protection technology to provide unique solutions for our customers' circuit protection needs.